Congratulations, your bar stool has arrived. You made a great choice. Welcome to the flock. So what I want to show you today is how to assemble our wooden legged stools. So the footstools and the dressing table stools with wooden legs all screw in. So it's really simple. Let's have a look what's in the box. So each stool comes with 4 legs. We've got this is our Anwin style. We have the all-important brush to look after our new flock member. And here is the stool itself. So I'm just going to move that box. And great for storing duvets over the winter, by the way. Reuse, recycle. So, and we're also going to just take the top off. Now, as you'll see, the base has got 4 holes, and the leg, just remove this little cap, that stops them from scratching each other in transit. Literally just screws into each hole. So you just locate the leg into the screw hole and screw. Now I'm quite expert at this, so I can do 2 at once. So here we go with the second 2, nearly finished. And hand tight's fine. You don't need a big burly man. Us girls can do it for ourselves. And then there we go. There's your Anwin stool, but she's a bit bare. So we'll get the top, give it a good shake, and that just restores the pile and makes her look super fluffy. And there she is. And that is how to assemble your wooden legged bar stool.